tanghali po. Ako po si Marge. So, introduce ko po ngayon kung paano po ang paggawa ng tea, yung traditional way of making tea. So, ito po ay different from the tea that the welcome tea that I served you a while ago that was made of guyabano leaves or sour soup with pandan. Guyabano leaves is anti-cancer, can lower blood pressure, can lower cholesterol. And this one, I'll be showing you how to make a traditional way of making tea. This is made of sweet potato leaves, or we call it talbos ng kamote.
Okay.
Yes. And with ginger. Then, we're using a clay pot or palayok and charcoal stove or kalang di uling. So, the procedure is just prepare a cup of sweet potato leaves with ginger. Then, use 1 liter of water. Then, boil it with 5 to 10 minutes. Then, that's it. Ready to drink. So,
With no added sugar?
no, ma'am. If you want sweeter, you can add honey. Yes,
Pwede honey.
honey. Or stevia. Yes po. 1 to 2 stalks of stevia in a glass of tea. Yun po, magiging matamis na po siya. Or kung ayaw naman, honey lang po. Then, one more po, pwede na po siyang dagdagan ng calamansi. Yes po, 1 piece of calamansi in a glass of tea. Para po mas madagdagan po yung lasa. So, yes ma'am, the sweet potato leaves is good for anemic, rich in iron, rich in vitamin C. Then the ginger po can prevent cough, cold, can improve blood circulation. So, yun po. So, instead of coffee, you can drink tea. Yes, this one. Then, yes po, the leaves. This one. You can make this as salad. Just,
So mo sa bagoong.
po, add tomatoes and onions.
This one?
Yes.
Yes.
This one ma'am, this one.
Sarap niya. Tapos
This one.
No, I'm saying you eat them raw. You can make it.
No ma'am.
It's
You
bitter.
better blanch it.
O kaya...
Hizi zenye zimechemshwa.
Yes po. This one.
Oh, the boiled one.
Yeah, the
Yes,
boiled
the boiled
one.
one.
Yes.
You can make a salad out of it.
Salad ma'am. Just
You
add
can add,
tomatoes and onion.
Gagawin ko. Okay.
or if you wanted some,
Fish
tomatoes,
sauce, some. They're
onions,
using fish sauce or
pepper.
soy sauce.
Alright. Ayun lang naman, no?
Okay, try po. Kaya lang, wala lang po kaming kalamansi.
Okay lang. Thank you. Talbos ng kamote at ginger.
Can you try?
Tsaa po. Pero ginger
Pwede rin po siyang gawing juice kung gusto niyo po ng cold tea at kalamansi lang po at honey.
And you sure?
Definitely. We are loosening this heat. Do you
So how
cut?
long do you boil it for?
5 to 10 minutes, ma'am.
Do you cut the ginger or you just put it when it's full?
Cut slicer. Slice.
No need to yung
No need na. You can, pwede rin po. Mas maganda po. Yes po. Mas lumalabas yung katas.
It's like sweet potato. We are drinking sweet potato.
oh, sweet potato.
it has a little bit strong.
For sore throat. The